Hello everyone, welcome to Prayag Study channel. My name is Utkarsh and I'll be teaching you mathematics in this channel. Now, so today we are here to understand about the first chapter of our class 10, that is real numbers. Now, real number is something that we have learned before, right? So in the class 9th, we all had learned about the number system, in which there was a part which we had understood as the real number. Now, so real number, what are the real numbers? Actually, real numbers are the numbers which can be represented on a number line. That is the one thing that is most important for this chapter, right? So now, in this chapter, in this grade, real number holds a very good importance, and we'll be looking at it, okay, why it is very much important, right? So in this video, very short video, we are going to understand about the chapter, that what are the things that we'll be learning under this chapter, and what is its importance in board examination, that how many marks will it contain, and what kind of questions will be getting in it. Now, so first of all, if we talk about the chapter real number, so the first thing that we'll be learning about will be the real number itself. So we'll be learning about the real number, that what exactly is a real number and what are the classification for the real numbers, because we will be getting the questions on that classification. That classification you had learned in the grade 9th as well, but again it will be important in your class 10th. Okay, so in the real numbers we will be learning about the classification and all. Okay, so under the real number, again you all know that the two important parts are rational numbers and irrational numbers, right? So these are the important ones that will hold a very good amount of importance, right? So we all are aware about it in this chapter. Now the second topic will be the prime factorization of numbers. Now this seems to be easy, but it is something which tricks many of the students, right? So under the prime factorization, we'll be learning about what are the factors, what are the factorization, and then what are the prime factorization. So these three will be discussed in this video. Okay, then the third one will come for the relation between the two numbers and their HCF and LCM. Again, it holds quite importance in this chapter. And the last one is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now, the fundamental theorem of arithmetic is also important, and with the help of theorem, we will be understanding about how we can prove the numbers as irrational. Now, if we talk about the weightage of this chapter in board examination, now it is something that is of your relevance. Now it holds 4 to 6 marks in examination, board examination. Now we are talking about the CBSE board. It's very clear that you will get questions of varying from 4 marks to 6 marks. Now how you will be getting the question? Now as you can see, according to the patterns from last some years of questions, we have observed that you might get the questions of 6 marks or 5 marks or 4 marks. Now in this, what is the thing that you have to keep your eyes on is, you are not getting any of the question of 4 marks or 5 marks in this particular chapter, right? So you don't have to take much worry about it. Okay, so now what you are getting is, you are getting 1 marks question, either 3 questions, 2 questions or 1 question, and 3 marks question is obviously there. It will be of 1 mark. 1 question will be there, that will be of 3 marks, and that question will be mostly to prove irrational. Okay, so what will be the question, what kind of topic will be there, we'll be understanding in our upcoming videos. Okay, so stay tuned in the Prayag channel and Prayag Study channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.